All right, man. Ticket TV. Good morning, y'all. Just got back in the crib. I'm gonna hit Town Biz up, man, in an hour, man. I'm gonna lay down for another hour, and I'm gonna hit Town Biz up, man. We gonna talk about this, but yeah, man. Quotes via ESPN, man. So you guys know what happened last night with Lonzo Ball. You know what I'm saying? Um, and after the game, Patrick Beverly did not spare any words. He's quoted as saying, "Man, weak ass mother, you know what? Bring him on the court with me, and I'll tear his, you know what up." And then LeVar Ball responds to this, and this is after the game. LeVar says, "You shut the mother down, and your check still ain't gonna go no higher than what it is." Who is Patrick Beverly? Well, see, you guys, this is the reason why I tell you guys the dudes in the league is not gonna take it easy on this boy, and that he gonna have a hard time. And all you guys are saying, relax, give him time. Nah, man, because his daddy didn't give him time when his daddy was running his mouth saying his kid was better than Steph Curry right now. His daddy said that. Ain't nobody twist his daddy arm and make him say that foolishness. Ain't nobody make his daddy say that he's gonna be better than Jason Kidd and all this other stuff. But like I said, this whole thing started when his daddy went on national TV running his mouth, saying this kid was gonna be better than Steph Curry, insulting Steph Curry, saying that Steph Curry would shoot UCLA out of the tournament. That you could change him with Lonzo right now. Steph Curry ain't that good compared to Lonzo, all this other stuff, just to get attention. You use somebody else's name, which is disrespectful. That's a form of hating. But y'all don't want to call him a hater. Anybody that criticized Lonzo, y'all call him a hater. But you don't want to call a LeVar a hater for everything he said, which is utterly despicable. And like I said, on this channel, we call it right down the line. See, y'all ain't gonna get it. I ain't cutting no corners over here. It is what it is. We call spade a spade. So y'all just gonna have to eat the cake on this one, man. You know what I'm saying? Because this is Patrick Beverly. It's only going to get uglier than the masterpiece sneaker coming up next. Because you still got all these other elite point guards that he still got to face. Ticket TV. I'm gonna hit Town Biz up as soon as I get back up, and we gonna go in.